Have you ever wanted to create your own game? Let's see how Lily did it. Once upon a time in a digital kingdom, there lived a curious girl named Lily. She loved playing games, but one day, she wondered how they were made. Her adventure began in an enchanted forest, where she met a wise old owl named Cody. Cody had a magical tablet with colorful blocks. These blocks tell computers what to do. It's called coding, Cody explained. Lily was so excited. Cody showed her a block that said move 10 steps. When Lily placed it, their hero, a cat named Whiskers, moved forward. Next, they used a turn block. Soon, Whiskers was dancing in circles. Cody introduced a when clicked block. Lily clicked on Whiskers, and the adventure began. She used repeat blocks to keep Whiskers moving, and if blocks to help Whiskers face obstacles, adding sounds and animations to make the story come alive. With every block, Lily felt like a real wizard, creating her own magical world. Cody smiled and said, "Remember, with coding, you can create anything you imagine."